Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone has some fun holiday time with their family. I hope you made lots of great memories. I know that we had a great holiday as well. In this video is going to be kind of a combination of what we've been doing right after the first of year. We've been trying to get some things done on our basement. We're getting in new flooring. I wanted to get my Christmas decorations down, and I'm also going to throw in a little bit of meal prep that I worked on right before the holidays because I knew that we were going to be super busy. So I'm just want to throw that in there and let's go. One of the first things that needed to be done was to clear out these rooms for the new floor to go down, and we had to make sure that we got all the nails up out of the floor, any rough places that might poke through the flooring. There was nail strippings that had to be taken up along the side of the walls. That took just a little bit of time. Pretty much all that we were working on for this day was to try to get everything out of the rooms, get all the nail strips up, just to get everything, moved in one place. That way the floor was, prepped and ready to go. And the only thing that we really had to do was just start putting the floor down. Right before the holidays hit, we had a plumber to come in and fix the drain for my bathtub, because I don't know, most of you probably know that the standalone bathtubs, the drains are generally in the center, so we had to have that moved and get that prepped and ready for the flooring to go down, and then whatever else we're gonna do after that. So hopefully we're ready to go on that. Here is just a sample of the floor that I picked out. I'm pretty excited about it. It's got some grays, it's got some browns. I had laid a couple of pieces on the floor just, to kind of get the idea of it, and I'm loving the way it's turning out. I'm pretty excited about that. I also wanted to start some meal prep right before the holidays. That way I could just get it out of the way. He would have his breakfast biscuits. I did that. I also did the bagels. I did fried bacon. I did fried pork chops. I scrambled the eggs, and I added cheese to these. I ran out of my sliced cheese, so I just used some shredded cheese. That works just as great. I simply fix it all, let it cool off, and then I bag it in Ziploc bags, and you can take it out, wrap it in a paper towel for about 30 seconds, and it is thawed, and you have a good breakfast. The first thing that I usually do when I take down my Christmas stuff is I start with my Christmas tree. I'll take down all the balls. Most of the balls are plastic. If I have glass ornaments, I'll usually like put them on top, but I just layer my ornaments in a plastic tub and I go from there. Usually everything I don't have a problem with. I don't really have things that get broken. I just gently put them in there, kind of make it kind of tight to where nothing can be loose and like bang against each other, I guess you could say, and maybe shatter something. But it usually works out really good this way. I also wanted to share this little craft that I come up with for my kids in Sunday school. I got these little tins at the Dollar Tree. They have some of the cutest little stuff during the holidays. But I got those, and I got the little village houses you will see and the little packs of people. Those also came from the Dollar Tree. And this tool that I'm using, I really don't know what it is. My husband said it would work. I'm sure you could take a picture of it and show someone at Lowe's and they will probably help you, or maybe your husband will be able to tell you what it is. But I didn't ask, so I just did it. But anyway, the first thing I started out with was making the hole in the little tins, and then I used hot glue to glue the little things inside, and then I covered up the outside little hole with this little battery operated pack that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to cover that up so the kids wouldn't get, scratched or poked or anything like that. But make sure when you do it that you glue the side that does not have the screw showing. You want to be able to see the screw showing, that way you can change out the battery packs in these. I'm sure that you can tell by these little battery operated packs that these are actually little Christmas lights. I used those to go up inside the houses. That way the little houses would be lit up, and then I left like 1 or 2 strands hanging from the outside to where it would light up the rest of the little tin. And I added the fake snow. And you don't want to add too much because then your little people get covered. But yeah, you will just kind of have to judge that. But I thought they turned out really cute. I do hope that this video gives you some motivation, maybe to start some new projects for the year, or maybe to even get some projects finished. If you're like us, it seems like there's always something going on. But I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. And if you have any comments, some helpful comments, that would be really great. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.